Alright guys, we're going to do the Leaf Treasury Memorabilia. This is round number 1. Victor, Steve Lott, Chris Val, Seth D, and Matt 13 Bot. I'm going to roll this die. 1, 2, 3 equals that top case. 4, 5, 6 equals that bottom. Forgive the mess. That place is, I gotta get this thing straightened up. Got boxes on top of boxes. Alright. 4, 5, 6 bottom case. Move the top one over. Bottom one up. He just came in on the UPS truck a little bit ago. I'm trying to rotate the cameras around sideways. I guess I can take autofocus off. I meant put autofocus on, I should say. Then it'll focus down here more. Hold this big box. Why don't I look in it? Let me bring this die up for the YouTube version. And I'm just going to pull them out and type them up, guys. At the end, we'll roll the die, click the randomizer on each side that many times, and see what we get. We'll see what the what is. What? Exactly. Oh, that's right. They double bag it. I was at the store the other day buying condoms. The guy behind the counter asked if I wanted a bag. I was like, no, she's pretty. Think about that joke, you'll get it in about an hour. In about an hour you'll get it. Here we go. Guess this one's sticking out the farthest. Oh, never mind. That's 4 items in there. This is by itself. So we'll do the single by itself first. And the first item out of Leaf Memorabilia Treasury is an NBA basketball and a ton of bubble wrap. Let me pull this big chunk of items out and sit it at the end. There, and that's empty. You can see in it. And it looks like, oh, that's pretty nice. Dr. J, big bold silver ink autograph. Julius Irving. It's already pumped up and ready to play with. Rob Bases is that new 2018 Leaf Memorabilia Treasury. Vandy, this is an old house. Alright, that's the first item. I'm just going to put Dr. J Ball. That'll be that item. Now I've got to cut into this. Should be 4 items. You hear me slice and then that ball pops? I'm like, I think your ball's flat. Could be wrong, but I think one of your balls are flat. This is think it's signed like that. I can't tell, but I think it's signed like that. The Human Highlight Reel. Dominique Wilkins. Oh, he said Dominic. Dominique Wilkins signed basketball. Full size. Put this back in there. And I don't want the world to see me. Dan Deerdorf? Isn't that Webster's dad? Hall of Fame 96. He used to be an announcer / football player. Dan Deerdorf. Mini helmet. Oh, I forgot to type in Wilkins. I'm going to put Wilkins. Oh, Lord. It's hard to type over the cameras. And then Dan Deerdorf. Next is going to be Nelly Furtado. Whoa, Nelly. Nelly Furtado.
No, he's not being angry about it. No, it's just matter of fact saying what's going on. And I don't disagree with him.
Yeah, so much glare on it.
It is clearly in the mind of owners when they think about signing a guy.
There you go. Put that back in the bag. I can't type over this camera. And the last thing is going to be hey, isn't that the guy from the Love Boat? Gavin McLeod or something? The Mary Tyler Moore full cast. Ed Asner, Gavin, Mary Tyler Moore, her. Looks like she didn't sign and he didn't sign. 4 of the 6 signed. The Mary Tyler, damn, it's such a glare. Mary Tyler Moore. More or less. Bring that up for YouTube. Sorry for the glare on all these top-loaded things. It's a full cast picture. Put that back in there. Oh, that full cast being 2 missing. That other guy was from Caddyshack, I'm pretty sure. Forgot his name. And the other one was from like Carol Burnett show or something. Okay, bring that back around. Oh, grab the camera. Put it on. Oh yeah, let me roll a die first. We'll click the randomizer this many times. 6 back here, 4 over there, 10 times. 10 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chris to Seth. Up 10 times. Oh, I'll put Mary Tyler Moore photo. Forgot to type the last item in. 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chris, you get the Wilkins ball. Dominique Wilkins. Matt, you get the Dan Deerdorf I don't know if I spelled his last name right. Mini helmet. Steve, you get the Mary Tyler Moore cast photo. Victor, you get the Dr. J Julius Erving ball. And Seth, you get the Nelly Furtado BGS autograph. 10 times? Okay, let's see what number 2 looks like. Be right back with the second round. See you guys. Thanks, everybody, as always.